What's up guys, it's for today's video. I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look. I have no idea what look I'm going for today. We're just going to wing it. But one of you guys had requested for me to film a fall makeup routine or just makeup look in general. So that's what I'm doing today. But really quick, before we jump into the video, it would mean the world to me if you guys could subscribe by hitting that little red button down below. You can also hit the bell right next to it to make sure you guys are updated and get notifications every time I drop a new video. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, you know. If you don't like it, feel free not to do that, but if you do, you know, it helps me out if you let me know that you like my content. And yeah, if you guys want to see how to get, I mean, I guess you don't know what the look looks like yet, but if you want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. Okay, so I did my base real quick. I will show you guys what I used. Literally, I think for the past like year I've been using the same products, which is why I don't want to bore you guys. So for my foundation, I just used the Marcel Flawless Skin Fusion Foundation in the shade Natural Beige. This is like my self tan color. And then for concealer, I used the Tarte Shape Tape only on like certain areas like parts that I really want to cover. And then just under my eyes and just to brighten, I used the Milani Retouch and Erase light lifting concealer. And then I just set it with the Hard Candy Translucent Loose Powder. This is the Sheer Envy one, and yeah, it's just the translucent white powder. So that's basically my base. Didn't want to bore you guys, so skip that. I usually like to do my face before I move into like eyes and stuff. So just to finish like with bronzer and highlight and stuff, I'm gonna go into the Park Avenue Princess Contour Kit. Is that what it's called? Chisel palette. And this is by Tarte. So I'm gonna be going in Angel. It's L-E. Angel. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's Angel. It's just the warmer color right there. Gosh, I don't know why. I don't know what word that is. But I'm just gonna chisel out my cheekbones or my forehead. Just, I don't know. Basically, any hollows of my face, I'm gonna be using this shade just to kind of darken up. Also, guys, I got my nose pierced. I didn't know if you guys could see, it's super tiny. Around my nose is a little red because I don't want to put makeup too close to it, as I'm about to put bronzer all over it. But I'm not gonna actually hit the piercing. I'm just gonna go really close to it. So obviously you don't want to get powder in that, and I'll make sure to like wash it really good tonight. But yeah, I was so spooked to get it. I was like so scared. I never get freaked out over like piercings and tattoos. I really like piercings. Like I have a bunch on like my ears and stuff, but I haven't gotten one in so long, and I feel like the older you get, the more scared you get of things. I don't know. I had like butterflies in my stomach. I was so anxious, I wanted to throw up, but it's all good. Barely hurt. And I really like it. I just can't really blow my nose, which is, ow, that hurt. I can't really blow my nose, which is kind of inconvenient because I like get cold all the time. So I'm glad I got it kind of like in the warmer months, so that once like winter comes and I'm getting a lot of colds, it'll be healed and stuff. So yeah, just make sure to bring, I'll keep hitting this earring, this is so annoying. Just make sure to bring your bronzer, contour, whatever, down your neck, just to make sure that you don't look like a floating head and everything matches and is blended. Also guys, I haven't filmed a room tour yet, but like look how cute this little makeup, it's not a makeup, it's like a little bucket. How cute is this little bucket that I put my brushes in? I love it. Okay, I need this brush. I'm gonna brighten up a little bit just because we did a lot of bronzer. God, this chair is so squeaky. What is up with that? I'm gonna go in with mixture of Halo and Enhance, just because one is a little bit too yellow and one's a little bit too pink with the foundation that I have on right now. So I'm just gonna put that under my eyes, a little bit down my nose, and then in like the middle of my face, and maybe just to clean up the bronzer a little bit. Wow, these are the most annoying earrings ever to do makeup in. And then for highlight, I'm going to be using my absolute favorite. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlight in Ambreezy. Do you think I've changed my highlight in the past year? No. This is literally the perfect highlight, and I really don't like to look too glowy. Oh my god. Did you hear that? That was so friggin' loud. I think that was just my concealer falling over. That was scary. But yeah, what I was saying is it's not too overpowering, because I really don't like when like highlights are like too in your face and look super fake. I mean, I know a lot of people are into that. I'm just really not, especially not on me. I think because I have more like, my skin gets kind of oily, so I don't really like it. But yeah, I do really like putting it on my nose and like right in between my eyebrows. I don't really know why, but I just like it. All right, and then to set my face, I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu facial spray in lavender, I think. I have barely any left. I need to buy a new one, but I do want to go back to like the normal one. I really like the peach colored one. It's really good. I'm gonna set my brows. So I do get my brows tinted now, which is basically, it's just dyeing your eyebrows to make them darker. And I kind of prefer that than filling them in. I think it looks a little bit more natural, and I don't really have to worry about doing them, especially because I have bangs. So I feel like it's just an extra step that I don't need to take. So I'm just gonna use like a clear brow gel. This is one by Essence. It's not like my absolute favorite. It's just the only one I have right now. So I'm just going to brush up my eyebrows. I really like the look of them. Okay, so for eyes, I think I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Beached Eyeshadow Palette. I think I'm gonna go in with Daybreak right here. I'm gonna zoom you guys in, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Daybreak on just a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease. I don't really know what I want to go for today. What I do want to do though is I want to focus it like everywhere. I want it like really blown out. So I'm also gonna focus it on the inner corner as well. That blended out so easily. That was great. I'm really not going to do that much for eyeshadow. I think like more minimal because we're going to go crazy for the lip, I think. But I'm just going to use this single eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with this shade. It's called Bitten. And I'm going to be one of those pro YouTubers who does one eye and then the other eye off camera to save time. And then I'm literally going to put it all over my lid. I've really been liking that look as opposed to like a smoky on the outer corner. So yeah, we're going to just pack it on right on the lid. And don't worry about blending it out just yet. We just want to get like that initial color on. Once you have that on, you can go in with your first brush and then just slowly blend them together. And then you can add more purple to deepen it up again and just keep going back and forth. Once you have it the way you like, you can take those same colors and just do the same on your lower lash line as well. And it is probably gonna look a little bit crazy. So you can just take a brush and just dust away any of like that dark fallout that landed on your eye, making you literally look like you got punched in the face. Like you can even go back in with that shade we used from the Park Avenue Princess palette to brighten it up even more. So next I'm going to be going in with Half Baked from the Naked 2 palette. I just had the actual pan because I got rid of my actual like Naked palette and I just wanted to keep this one because it's really good. But it's this super pretty gold shade. So I'm going to use this to highlight on the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bone. And then for mascara, I'm just going to use the Essence False Lashes mascara, the Dramatic Volume Limited. I don't know, this is what it looks like. Okay, and then to finish off this look, I'm just going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Ashton. So this is a super basic shade. I feel like a lot of people have this, but I picked it up when I was in the States and I haven't had a chance to use it. And then I'm just going to go over it with the Buxom Full On Lip Polish in the shade Dominique. It's just this clear gloss. Okay, so that completes this video. This is the final look of what I went for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe it down below. That you'll never miss my face in your subscription box. And yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you next Monday. Bye! You are the light I like to be. There's not a sun